door.
What are you doing here?
Getting you out. Here, put this on. You'll need it.
You could get into a lot of trouble for doing this.
Not anymore. Things have changed. It's your father. He needs you.
My father? But he's gone, Anya. He's dead.
No, he's out there. He needs you.
Anya, wait. What the hell's going on? Anya. Wait.
The Locust have broken through to his house and he called in to say goodbye. Says he's sorry. He says...
Marcus, what in God's name are you doing here? You're going to get yourselves killed, both of you.
Come on, Dad. I've come to get you out of here.
I've got to save my research. Do you understand how important it is?
Dad, keep your head down! Okay, everybody find some cover. Spread out along the wall. Cover the stairs! Look out, we've got more grub! Take them out! We gotta give them some time!
It was always his work my father cared about. His research. He tried to save his work. And I tried to save him. I disobeyed orders to do it. And it cost us the battle. Couldn't blame them for court-martialing me. Or for the life sentence. So the war went on while I was rotting in prison.
There it is! Raven inbound!
Marcus, we've got to go.
And I still couldn't save
Tom,
my
run.
father. But you can't save him.
Now hear this. Marcus Phoenix and Hazard Watch to CIC immediately. Phoenix, Santiago, and Stratton, report to CIC immediately.
Hey, Phoenix. You looking for Santiago?
It's okay. I know where to find him.
Lampent stalks detected. Damage response team, muster at hangar deck. All personnel, alert state 2.
Come on, Dom. Armor up.
I've got crops to take care of. If we don't grow it, we don't eat it, remember?
I think the radishes can cope without you for a while.
Okay, let's get this over with.
Deck 2, secure all hatches. Sea safety team, close up on deck 2. Prepare for inbound Raven.
The Raven's coming back. Sam and Cole just took off for supplies.
Huh. Maybe Baird forgot his wallet.
Those stocks give me the creeps.
Yeah, even when they're empty husks. I'm expecting polyps to spew out of them, you know?
Come on, Jace. Work to do. It's Stock City out there.
All right. Give me a second. Damn, nearly got it that time.
That candy's like 10 years old, man. You're gonna puke your guts out.
Yeah, well, that's a price I'm willing to pay.
Guys, CIC, now.
Game on, baby.
This is Captain Michelson to all ship's company. We've now entered lambent waters. Go to Alert State 1 and secure for action.
At least the old man still takes the threat seriously. Folks seem to forget how we ended up like this.
Out of sight, out of mind.
Yeah, well, not me. Those damn things are still out there, and I'll be ready for them.
We've been on alert for 3 months straight. No polyps. That glowy shit is over, man.
Yeah, tell me that when you got one scrambling up your leg.
Yeah, I guessed. Hey, are you filling in the crossword?
No, not really.
You came between Dom and his radishes, Lieutenant. This better be good.
Good? Probably not. A shock? Yeah. Guess who's come back from the dead?
Do I get a prize if I'm right?
Chairman Prescott.
No shit.
You mean ex-Chairman Prescott?
That asshole. He ran out on us 18 months ago. What's he expecting now, red carpet?
I'm waiting to find out.
Warship Sovereign.
Hang on.
This is KR-01 requesting permission to land. One passenger, Chairman Prescott.
KR-01, this is Sovereign. You are clear to land. Deck team standing by.
Wonder where Prescott managed to find a helicopter. He sure as hell didn't leave with one.
He never called, he never sent flowers.
Oh, I can't wait to hear this shit. I'll get the popcorn.
Damn, stocks are gonna do some real damage one day.
Nash, get out of there! They're behind you, Nash!
Shit! They're back! Shit, we got Nash!
Action station! Lamp and attack, starboard bow. Unidentified variant.
Unidentified variant?
New kind of glowy. Great time for a debut. Come on, people. Let's get up there.
KR-01 to Sovereign. Landing is avoided. Sitting off until deck is secure. Ready to assist where we can. 01 out.
What the hell is that? I haven't seen that shit before. They blow up just the same.
Come on, get him off the ship.
Sovereign to KR-01, you are clear to land. The forward lift is being raised for you. Stand by.
Copy that, Sovereign.
Betty strolls back in here like nothing happened.
Better park that nice new Raven carefully.
Let's give the traditional stranded welcome. Strip the chopper for parts.
think he knows that the cog fell apart after he disappeared?
You think he cares? Chairman Prescott, welcome to what's left of the cog.
I'll have answers for you, ladies and gentlemen. But later. I need to see Colonel Hoffman immediately.
Hoffman's been gone almost as long as you have, Chairman.
He's dead?
He left to take a group of civilians to Anvilgate. Captain Michelson's the senior officer now. Not that we have much of a military left.
I'd better talk to the gallant captain then. I have a mission for him. Oh, and Sergeant Phoenix, you'll want to see this.
This better not be a shopping list. Let's go check it out.
Who the hell does that asshole think he is?
Prescott's gonna find out an